Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you are fine. Today in biology lesson we are going to talk about cytoplasm. We have already talked about cell wall and cell membrane and today's topic is cytoplasm. So first of all we'll see what is cytoplasm. This is an animal cell and this is a plant cell. The outermost membrane of the animal cell is the plasma membrane and the outermost membrane of the nucleus is nuclear envelope. It is called nuclear envelope because it is a double membrane bounded organelle. Nucleus has two outer membranes and those two membranes are collectively called as nuclear envelope. So everything which is present between plasma membrane and the nuclear envelope is called cytoplasm. Similarly, in plant cell, this is plasma membrane, this is the cell wall. So everything that is present between plasma membrane and the nuclear envelope is cytoplasm. When we talk about the parts of cytoplasm, there are two parts of cytoplasm. First one is cytosol, which is this thick, viscous and jelly-like substance in which all the parts of the cell are embedded या इसके अंदर present होते हैं. And the second part of cytoplasm is the cell organelles or cell structures. There are a number of cell organelles or cell structures, some of which are mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, vacuoles, and in the plants, chloroplasts are also present for photosynthesis. These are all cell organelles which are embedded inside the cytoplasm. But nucleus is not considered to be a part of cytoplasm. All other organelles are considered to be part of cytoplasm. Next, we are going to talk about the composition of cytoplasm. There are three major components of cytoplasm. First is water, जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में पाया जाता है. Then inorganic compounds, which are the inorganic salts, and some are completely dissolved inside the cytoplasm and some are partially dissolved or they just float inside the cytoplasm. Then come the organic compounds, which are carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. As we have already discussed, jitne bhi cell organelles and they all have same basic composition, that is these organic compounds. इनके अलावा दे मे कंटेन नाइट्रेट्स एंड फॉस्फेट्स एट्सेट्रा, लेकिन जो बेसिक कंपोजिशन है दैट इज़ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स एंड लिपिड्स. देन कम द फंक्शंस ऑफ cytoplasm. Cytoplasm has three major functions. First is that it provides a space for all the cell organelles. So cytoplasm is the place where all the cell organelles are present, या ये एक जगह प्रोवाइड करता है for the organelles to be and perform their functions. Then biochemical reactions, all the metabolic or the biochemical reactions, they take place inside the cytoplasm. यहाँ पे हम three functions की बात करेंगे. First one is glycolysis. Glycolysis is the first step of respiration and it is the breakdown of glucose. Glyco means glucose and lysis means breakdown. ये आपने याद रखना है कि जहाँ पे भी वर्ड lysis आएगा that means breakdown. Next topics में we are going to talk about lysosomes and the function of lysosomes is कि वो food products या waste products को break down करते हैं. तो जहाँ पर भी lysis word use होगा that means breakdown. Next chemical reaction is the protein synthesis, which takes place inside the cytoplasm. Protein synthesis means formation of proteins. Proteins are required inside the cell, so they are made by the cell itself, or they are made inside the ribosomes, which is a cell organelle. Then comes the photosynthesis. As you know, photosynthesis only takes place inside the plant cells. So, और इसका जो cell organelle होता है वो chloroplast होता है, which helps to carry out photosynthesis. Animal cells में chloroplasts absent होते हैं. Third and the last function of cytoplasm is the cytoplasmic streaming or the cytoplasmic movement. Okay, in this video you can see cytoplasm के जितने भी parts हैं they are all moving. All of the cytoplasm is मूविंग। ये प्लांट सेल है और इसमें क्लोरोप्लास्ट को हम देख सकते हैं, दे आर कंटिन्यूसली इन मोशन। और ये जो बाकी है ये डिफरेंट सेल ऑर्गेनल्स हैं विच आर ट्रांसपेरेंट, और इनके अलॉन्ग क्लोरोप्लास्ट आर मूविंग। अच्छा, अब इसका जो पर्पस होता है साइटोप्लाज्मिक मूवमेंट या साइटोप्लाज्मिक स्ट्रीमिंग का, वो ये होता है कि सेल में जितने भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रेजेंट हैं वो इस मूवमेंट की वजह से इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाते हैं या बराबर मिकदार में तकसीम हो जाते हैं सेल के अंदर। दिस इज़ अ लार्ज वैक्यूल जिसके अराउंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट्स आर मूविंग। So this was all about the composition and functions of cytoplasm. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. In the next topic we will talk about cytoskeleton. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.